Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. As you may know, I took last week off from the Walgreens video. I woke up, the deals weren't that great. And honestly, I was just not feeling motivated. I think I kind of hit a wall work-wise. So I didn't do Walgreens last week. I did do CVS. And I wish I could say I did something fun, but really I think I did dishes and laundry and house stuff. A number of you said you missed me, which I think is super sweet. Thank you. But if you did miss seeing my Walgreens video and you realize, hey, I really rely on that video, and you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Honestly, the more support I get from y'all via subscribers and likes and comments, the more likely I am to continue making videos, because it's hard to make videos when you feel like people aren't interested in them. But if people are giving you feedback, it's motivating to keep going. So thank you for that. I'm also trying to put together as many exclusive offers as I can. And the more subscribers I have, the easier it is to do that. So that's my little plug. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, because I promise it benefits you as well. Now, I did not use a booster coupon this week. I know a lot of people say, I don't get them and I don't understand why. I didn't get a booster coupon this week, so I didn't use one. I did some of the deals in store. As we know, register reward deals have to be done in store. So I did a couple of those in store. Then I did the rest of my orders as curbside orders. That's just my preference. That's how I like to shop. I used only digital coupons. So I will explain everything bit by bit. Now, if you are watching and you're like, oh, I'm new to Walgreens, it's so frustrating, I don't know how to do any of this, don't worry. I do have tutorial videos that walk you through all the different components of Walgreens: how to create an account, how to find coupons, how to use register rewards, what register rewards are, how to use Walgreens Cash, what Walgreens Cash is, all of that I have videos for, and I will drop them down in the video description box. If you scroll down, you will see all of those videos, and if I remember, I'll try to drop it in the comments of this video as well. I think those were all the announcements. Oh, no, one more quick announcement before I get into the deals. So, like I said, I'm trying to find neat, interesting, unique offers, and so I was thinking I might share with you different gift ideas for the holidays that might be of interest to you guys. So I found one this week. It's on a Craftsy membership, which is an online DIY class. They have 15,000 different classes. It gives you free downloads. It has live events. It is the perfect gift for someone who is artsy. It's arts and painting and cooking and knitting and crocheting, sewing, so many different things in there. And it's normally fairly expensive. I think it's normally around $90 for the year. But right now, it is $2.49 for the entire year, with the link I'm going to drop down below. So if you want to check it out, seems like a great gift or a gift to yourself. It does automatically renew, but you can cancel at any time, and it's super simple to do that if you need to do so. So I'll drop that link down below, and hopefully I can bring you even more unique gift ideas in the coming weeks. Okay, Walgreens deals. I'll start with the ones that I did curbside. So this one here, I did it as curbside because I can still get receipts with my curbside orders. Now, if your store will not give you a receipt with a curbside order, then you would have to do any of the cashback, Ibotta deals in store. But like I said, mine still gives me a receipt, so I did mine curbside. This Airwick Essential Mist Kit, starter kit, it's $10.99. There's a $5 digital coupon, so I paid $5.99. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, where I got $5 back, making my final cost just 99 cents. Now, one of the reasons I love curbside is because I can use promo codes. I could not get a promo code to work today. I know some people are getting the WAG10 code to work. Other people are getting Senior 20 to work. There was a Get 15 code that was good on a specific purchase of $30 or more, but it excluded a number of things. None of the codes were working for me this morning, so I used no promo codes on my order. All right, Scott tissues. This is a deal anyone can do. They're $5. There is a $1 digital coupon as well as a $1.25 store digital coupon. So the total cost is $2.75 for this package of toilet paper. Now, if that's not your jam, there's a deal on Angel Soft as well. I also did this as curbside, but this does involve Ibotta as well. These are 2 for $9. There's a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay $8. But then there's a $1 Ibotta rebate, and you're gonna get $1 on each. So I got $2 back on Ibotta, making my final cost $6 for both, or just $3 per pack. Now, the diapers and the Oral-B, both are register reward deals. So we want to do these in store. Pick up 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. I grabbed the charcoal ones at $4. That's $8. I had a $3 digital coupon. I paid $5 at the register. I got a $5 register reward back, making them free. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta where I got $1 back on each of them, making them both free and a $2 moneymaker. I also ended up hitting my weekend warrior bonus on Ibotta, which only gave me $1 back, but I will take it. The pull-ups. So here's what I did, and these are the offers that I had. I grabbed 1 pack of the nighttime pull-ups at 2 for $21, and I grabbed 1 pack of the new Leafs at 2 for $21. So that's $21 total for both of them. I had a $4 digital coupon, so I paid $17 at the register. I got back $5 on Ibotta for the new Leaf. I got back $1.50 on Fetch Rewards for each of them, so $3. These also qualify for the buy to get a $4 register reward, making your final cost just $5 or $2.50 each. Now, my register reward did not print. Okay, but this was at a store where it doesn't surprise me that it didn't print. So I don't know if it's not printing for everyone or if I just didn't get lucky this morning. They did give me Walgreens cash. She actually ended up giving me $5 in Walgreens cash because I guess you can only do it in certain increments when you're giving points back. So I ended up getting $5 instead of $4. But $2.50 each for diapers seems like a great price. If you have a spend booster, like a spend 20, get 5, even better deal for you. Now, if you're not using Ibotta yet, I do have a tutorial on it. It is completely free. You will also score $10 when you join with my referral code and you scan your first receipt. So the Oral-B I did in store, the pull-ups I did in store, and then the Ivory soap I did in store as well. And thank you to GME Coupons, who is the one who I heard about this deal from. These are buy 1, get 1 50% off. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward. I did not see the $3 register reward tagged anywhere, but I 100% trust her. And so I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do it and see what happens. So $2.99. Plus, the second one's going to ring 50% off, so $1.49. There is a $1 digital coupon that I had clipped. So I paid $3.48, and sure enough, that $3 register reward printed out, making my final cost 48 cents for both of them, or 24 cents each for a 3-pack of Ivory soap. So awesome, awesome deal. The Home Complete bags, this is a Walgreens brand, are buy 1, get 1 free this week. So pick up 2 at $2.79. One of them is going to be free. That makes your final cost $1.39 for each of them. I also noticed that the Skippy peanut butter was on sale this week, 2 for $5. There is a $1 digital coupon, making them 2 for $4 or just $2 each. The other grocery deal that I did was on the Cheerios. So these are $5.49. That was the online price. They are buy 1, get 1 free. There's also a $1 digital coupon. Now, when I do this in store, the $1 digital coupon or the digital coupons never seem to apply with the buy one, get one free offers. But when I do it curbside, it does. So I placed it as a curbside order. The $1 digital came off. The buy one, get one free sale came off. So I paid $4.49 for each of them. And then I had an offer for 40 cents back on Fetch Rewards. So what does that make it? It's $4.49 minus 40 cents. That's $4.09. So that's like $2.04.50 each. Not the best deal we've ever gotten on Cheerios, but not a bad deal either, especially since this is my son's favorite. The other Ibotta offer that I did was on the Finish Quantum. Again, this is a product that we like and use. $4.99. There is a $1.50 digital coupon, so I paid $3.49. Got back $1.50 on Ibotta, making my final cost just $1.99. Now, check your Ibotta offer because yours might be a little bit different. You might have a $2 one, you might have a $1 one. Mine was $1.50, making my final cost $1.99. Now, I was on the fence about whether I wanted to do the Nivea lotion deal. But since the holidays are coming up and I know some of you guys like to put together gift baskets, I figured I would go ahead and do the deal, make sure it works, and then share it with you. It was a little bit better deal last week because there was a digital coupon. This week, there was no digital coupon, at least in mine. You want to do this curbside, and you want to do it curbside because there is a promo code you can use. These are buy two, get one free. Okay, so you pick up 3 of them. And it has to be the Q10 variety. Both of these are Q10 varieties. They're $9.49 each. So that is like $18 and something for all 3 because it's buy 2, get 1 free. Then use the code NIVEA, all in caps. It's gonna take $5 off any purchase of $15 or more of the Nivea products. So you'll pay $13.98. But I had an Ibotta offer for $3 back on each of these. So I got $9 back on Ibotta, making my final cost $4.98 for all 3 of them, or $1.66 each. I did notice, however, that Ibotta offer said it's only good for like 24 more hours. So if you're watching this on Sunday, you should be okay. If you're watching it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, definitely double check. Make sure you see that offer before you go and do the deal. Okay, did I tell you about everything? Yes. Now, if you have questions, let me know down in the comment section below. If you find other amazing deals that you want to share them in the comments, please. Let's help each other out. There was a Christmas card, Hallmark card, digital coupon for $3 off. The cheapest card I saw was $3.59, so that would make it 59 cents, but my store didn't have that card. I also get cards for free all the time, so I don't really want to pay 59 cents for one. And I'm trying to think, were there other deals that I saw? Lunchables were 2 for $4. I feel like, the Cheez-Its were buy one, get one free. Were there other grocery deals I saw while I was there? If so, I'll pop them up here because I took a couple of pictures while I was in the store of deals that I thought were good. The Nestle Toll House cookies. So they're 2 for $6, which makes them $3 each. And with the holidays coming up, I wanted to mention that because that's cheaper than what my grocery store has them at right now. So we'll probably see a better deal than that, but wanted to let you know, throw that out there. Hope y'all are having a great weekend. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I have pictures of items that I saw on clearance while I was in the store. Thanks.